Now I've built my app in my personal sandbox where no one has access to. I'm quite happy with it and I really want to share it with my team. So instead of inviting people to this workspace because I want to keep it to myself, I will click here on the top right of the Chipp. There are a few options here, and the first one is to copy the link and share it with others. This would mean that the Chipp still lives here in my private workspace. Then there's the duplicate option, which is really good for version control because it duplicates the entire Chipp that you've created, including any instructions, knowledge, options that you've chosen, APIs, etc. Everything remains exactly the way it was in the first version for this copy. I have this one ready now, and I really want to transfer it for my team to have a look. So I pick the workspace I want to move it to, and I click move. And then here we go. Here we have testing 1, V1 ready. And as you can see, this one is no longer in my sandbox. The only one I have left in my sandbox is the one that I duplicated. Moving a Chipp means that you will actually transfer it to the other workspace and it will not stay in the original one. If you want to keep a version for yourself, I recommend that you duplicate it the way that we did here. So now I have the same app in 2 different places for 2 different purposes. One for my own tweaking and the other one for my team to have a look at it.